Cancer Care Ontario is the provincial agency responsible for continually improving cancer services. As an operational service agency of government, CCO is accountable to the Minister of Health and Long-Term Care. CCO uses SAS to analyze information in support of health professionals and patient self-care, and to continually improve the safety, quality, efficiency, accessibility, and accountability of cancer services.
What the ministry has enabled or asked Cancer Care Ontario to do is ensure, as a steward of the cancer system, ensure that wherever I go to get care, make sure that that care is high quality, and make sure that regardless of where I live, I get access to services when I need services.
SAS enables Cancer Care Ontario to analyze complex combinations of data that affect patient care.
Where do they go for care, and where do I expect they're going to go for care? Are they going to change that travel pattern? And based upon that and a growing population and a growing incidence of cancer, how do I expect that's going to impact the service and the resource requirements of the different providers across the system in the future? It's consolidating all those standalone information sources, which by themselves serve a purpose, but for planning of a system, you need to make them all talk to one another and make it understand the complete service requirement across the entire system for a patient.
SAS enables Cancer Care Ontario to track and connect individual patients across multiple data sources.
I need to be able to track a patient through time and across various providers, and generally that means linking multiple standalone siloed data sets to create what looks like a nice continual picture of care, and it's just impossible to do with most of the standalone sets. So SAS enables that really well. Works well with the large data set and works well when I try to integrate them across. It's by far the tool I've found that helps me best incorporate all of the different data files and data sets and information sources required to tell that story, to tell that patient journey story. And it just gives me the flexibility to dig into the root data stores and modify my analysis slightly or drag out slightly different data to tell a slightly different story for each question that I need to address. If we do our jobs really well, all they'll see is good access to high quality services by the provider.